In this video, we'll learn how to make circular beams in etabs. First, we want to make a plan in AutoCAD. And first, set the units to meters and dimensions. It's in decimals, it should be in decimals. So take a precision as 0.0, close. And now we want to make a circular model. So take in a circle of 7 meters radius and it will become 40-meter circle, and draw the line to its center point. Switch on the ortho and offset this to 5 meters. This is the grids for assigning beams. By using trim command, trim all the excess lines with respect to the circle. Now we got beam layout, and now we want to save this to DXF format by using save as option. Here I am saving in desktop. The name is circle or circular structure. So first we'll save the drawing file and then we can save as DXF file. DXF means drawing exchange format. So now save this and close the AutoCAD file. So it's already there, replace it. So now we want to completely close the AutoCAD file to import to etabs. Now open etabs, here create new file, and here first set the units, use built-in set option. For Indian, use choose metric SI and steel design database as Indian, and here steel design code is 8 IS 800 2007 and concrete is IS 456 2000, and click on OK. And no need to change anything in plan view. So here if we want to increase the number of floors, we can increase. For example, now I am choosing the 4 floors. Just click on OK. So now you will be getting with grid option of 4 floors. So this is in 3-dimensional view and this is in plan view. Now go to file, use import and DXF file floor plan. So in desktop we have saved as in a circle, open. So it will ask for the selection. Select beams here, and here the units in AutoCAD is meter. DXF file units in meters, and these are by default it will be assigned. And whatever the plans we are transferring is located in story 4. If you want to change, you can change to story 3, story 2 and story 1. Now let it be story 4 itself. There is no columns, floors are opening in the DXF file. Just click on OK. So now it was asking for save etabs file. So for example, save this model 1 and save. Now we can see that the beams are imported. Only the beams are imported, no circular beams are imported. So for this We want to draw circular beams. Go to draw, draw beam or column or bracing option. You want to choose draw beam option only. You should not choose quick draw beams option. If you choose quick draw beams option, you cannot draw curved beams. You won't get the option. So draw beams are option, and here line type is there. You choose arc center on 2 points. So now click at the midpoint and select one corner, and you can join up to 180 degree. So now join till here, and again we have to draw beam like this. Here we have missed out the point here. So choose exactly at the midpoint and select this, and you can draw. And similarly, you want to draw for another sector. So here you can clearly see that we have assigned. Now you delete this beam and once again reassign the beam for correct points. So we choose exactly at 7 meters and now draw the beam. So now we have drawn the circular beams. Now we need to intersect at every nodes. Select all the plan, go to edit, and here edit frame, divide frames. Here you choose second option, break at intersect with select, add frames and joints. Apply error dividing select frame objects. Try for once again. Go to edit, edit frames, divide frames, can apply. Okay. Now you can see that it has been divided. Now we want to draw the slabs for this circular structure. Use this draw floor or wall or plan option. Here also the same thing. You have three options to draw the slab. Here you need to choose this to draw slab with respect to points. So here also you have straight line option. Select arc at 3 points. Initially choose 1 point, 2 point, click on the third point and click to center and right click. You will be assigned the slabs. So select second point and third point and at the middle right click. And similarly assign for another sector and repeat the same procedure for fourth sector also. Now you can see that you have assigned the slabs without having any gap. You can see here we have missed out the slab. Here we are getting some gap. So to fill up this gap, delete this slab, assign once again. You choose this point and again this point. Respect to beam, we need to assign slab. Now we can see that there is no gap at all. So now you go for view to see in three-dimensional view, show rendered view. So now you can see that. So let me complete full model here. First select whole floor to divide the slabs and go to edit, edit shells, divide shells, and here choose first option. Cookie cut floor objects at selected frame objects. So apply and click on OK. Now you see in three-dimensional view or rendered view. You can see that it has been filled up throughout the floor. There is no gap. In similar way, now we'll assign the columns for this. Go to plan view, story 4. Use quick draw column option. So if you want, you can define section properties, frame section, and add new property circular. In this circular, we'll take it as a 200 mm or 250 mm. Okay, and select the material for column 250, and you need to assign one column in this particular location and another in this particular location, and wherever we require the columns you can assign at that particular points or the junctions. We have assigned columns for one floor. So once again select all, use replicate command. By story you have to replicate to all the floors. So you want select, first you need to select, you are in one story option and use replicate story 3. Click on OK. And now you can see that in three-dimensional view we have assigned for all the floors, and we have developed circular slab or circular beams with circular structure. And remaining procedure is same. We need to select and we need to assign the frame loads. So here go to plan view. So go to base. Okay. Select and assign joints, restraints, fixed support. Click on OK. So now you go for three-dimensional view, and you can see that we can complete it circular model in this way. The loads assigning everything will be the same as normal model.